Hello there, fabulous people. Happy New Year and welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna kick off this new year by introducing you to my brand new recipe, which I'd like to call the twisted bread roll. Believe me, you're not gonna want to miss this. If you're new to my channel, it's an opportunity to click the like button and hit the notification bell as well. Thanks very much for that. So, if you're ready for this fabulousness, let's get baking. I'll begin by making my very simple milk bread dough. So for this, I'll be needing 1 cup of milk, sugar, yeast, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of salt. I'll also be using flour and a little bit of butter. Don't worry if you didn't get it, I'll put all of these ingredients in my description box below. I'll now cover my bread dough and I will allow it to rise for at least 1 hour. And in the meantime, I'm going to begin by making my apple cinnamon jam. This jam will be used as a stuffing for the bread dough once it's ready. So I'll be using some apples, cinnamon, and a bit of sugar. So I've peeled and I'm now chopping 4 apples into little chunks. I'll add them to my blender and I'll also add a little drop of water with 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. I'll make this into a very smooth blend. Once my apple is blended, I'm going to add it into a little pot. I'll put it on the stove and I'll add a little bit of sugar. I'm going to cook it down until it's nice and thick. Once the apple jam has cooked down for about 10 minutes, it is ready to come down from the stove. Now I'm going to make a 1 sachet mixture of gelatine to add to the apple mixture. It'll just give it a very nice consistency and thickness, which is going to be very perfect for our cinnamon bread roll. I'll mix this all together, both the gelatin and the apple jam, and I'll pour it into a bowl. You should have the right amount of consistency, and that's ready to set aside. Perfect. Now 1 hour later, my milk bread dough is beautifully risen. I like to take out the excess air, and we're now ready to begin the bread making process. So I'm going to cut this dough into 4 equal sizes, and I'll use a rolling pin to roll them out one at a time. Now finally, I'm ready to make the bread twist. So I'm going to place the thinly rolled out dough onto my baking tray, and I'm going to spread out the cinnamon jam that I made earlier today, a very thin layer. I'll place the second sheet, and I'll also spread the jam. I'll repeat the same process until I get to the 4th layer. Now I'm going to cut this layered dough into 16 equal sizes, making sure not to cut the center. I'm now going to twist each of the dough slices about 3 to 4 times until they look in sync. Oh wow, now our twisted dinner bread rolls are ready. How I wish you can smell the sweet aromas of the apple cinnamon jam infused all over the house. It smells so beautiful and it tastes even better. Thank you all so much for stopping by my kitchen today. I hope you can try out this recipe at home. Please don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to my channel, and also hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified of all of my latest recipes. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again next Friday. Goodbye.